Hello everyone, I am Pradeep Kumar, Mathematics faculty at Toppers Academy. So today we'll again discuss one more question from your previous year papers of JEE Advance. Okay, ये question आपका 2018 पेपर से और question है that f is a function from R to R and that is a differentiable function given with value of function at 0 is 1 and satisfying some equation for every xy belongs to R. That's also important. Okay, so you have to find the value of log f of 4 to the base e. Okay, so how can we find the value? Since my equation is what equation holds for every xy belongs to R, so we can say, sir, if you put x and y both as 0, okay, put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay, so we'll get what? We'll get f0 plus 0, that is equal to f of 0 f dash 0 plus f dash 0 into f0. Now this will be what? F of 0. 0 plus 0 is 0 and f0 is what? That is 1. We are given with this. So 1 is equal to f0 is again what? F0 is 1. So that is f dash 0 and this is f dash 0 into 1. That is f dash 0. So we have 2 times f dash 0. Okay. So from here we can find the value of what? We can find the value of f dash 0 which is equal to 1 by, okay, that's important information, that f dash 0 is equal to what? F dash 0 is equal to 1 by 2. Now sir, if we put x as x and y as 0, okay, now put y is equal to 0 in your equation, okay, y is equal to 0. So we'll get what? We'll get, put y is equal to 0, so we'll get f of x plus 0 is equal to, f of x plus 0 is equal to, that is fx f dash 0, fx into f dash 0 plus, next is what? F dash x into f0, f dash x into f0. Now this is what? This is f of x is equal to what? Fx is equal to fx as it is, f dash 0 we already know, that's half, plus f dash x, and f0 is what? F0 is 1, so that is f dash x. Okay, when you simplify you will get f dash x is equal to, f dash x is equal to, when you shift here, so fx minus half fx, that is half of fx. Okay, now sir, you can say that is what? That is d by dx of fx, f dash x, yes, is equal to half times fx. When you shift your terms here, okay, that is what? That is your differential equation. Okay, and when you shift your fx here, so you'll get d of fx divided by fx. Okay? D of fx divided by fx is equal to half of dx, equal to half of dx. Now integrate on both sides, integrate, okay, and after integration you know that will become what? Integration of dfx upon fx, that will be ln of fx. Okay, ln of fx, ln of fx means log fx to the base e. Okay, ln of fx is equal to half times integration of dx is x plus some constant of integration, that is, now put the value. Now you have to find what? You have to find the value of c. So put the value, put f0 is equal to what? F0 is equal to 1. Okay, so sir, when you put here, so you'll get ln of 1 is equal to half into 0 plus c. So when you simplify, ln 1 is what? Ln 1 is 0. 0 is equal to 0 plus c. So that is c is equal to what? C is equal to 0. Got it? So you can say ln fx is equal to, ln of fx is equal to what? That is half of x and c is 0 here. Okay, so half of x. So from here you can simplify and you get the value of fx. Fx is equal to what? Fx is equal to, this is e power half x. This is e power half of x. Okay, that is your function. Got it? This is your function, f of x is equal to e power half x. Now you have to find what? If you observe your question, you have to find the value of log f4 to the base e. So it means find the value of f4. So f4 is what? Now you can say f of 4 is equal to e power half into 4, that is e square. Yes, e square. So now required value is what? Required value, required value, that is what, that is log of f of 4 to the base e. Okay, so that is equal to what, that is log f of 4 is what, f of 4 is e square to the base e. Now you can apply the property, so this will become 2 log e to the base e, and log e to the base e is 1, so that is 2 into 1 is 2, and that is what, that is your final answer. Got it? So final answer is what, final answer is 2 here. So you can say log of f4 to the base e, and the value is what, value is, okay, that's your answer. Got it? So this is very easy question in 2018. So that's okay for this video. In the next video, we'll discuss the next question of your previous year questions. Okay, thank you everyone, and bye bye.